Hey everybody, I'm out here on an absolutely gorgeous fall day here. You can see all the colors, a lot of yellow. Childhood park back home. I came across this creek here that needs some TLC, some tender loving care, you know, so let's check it out. Oh, yappy dogs. Had like an afro. Slow here. Oh, we'll get to all that, baby. It's gonna be a blast. Working up a sweat already, guys? Oh, that sun hits your face. Definitely get outside, everybody. And just slow down and enjoy. Always slow down and enjoy yourself.